Welcome to Life Fact Hacks. Scammers are getting smarter, but with one setting, you can block 99% of scams and fraud attempts on your Samsung Android phone. Step 1. Open Settings, go to Connections, tap More Connection Settings. Step 2. Find Private DNS and select Private DNS provider hostname. Step 3. Type dns.atgard.com. Step 4. Tap Save and you are done. What this does: blocks scam website and phishing links automatically, stops hackers from tracking your online activity, prevents malicious ads and pop-ups from stealing your data. Try this now and comment below if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and share to protect your friends and family from scams.